This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make creme brulee bubble tea. First, gather your ingredients: tapioca pearls, brown sugar, heavy cream, milk, and a strong black tea. You'll also need a culinary torch for that perfect caramelized top. Start by brewing your tea and setting it aside to cool. This foundational step ensures a rich base for your delicious drink. Next, let's focus on the tapioca pearls. Cook them until they reach that ideal chewy texture, usually about 5 to 7 minutes, then drain. While they are still warm, combine them with a rich brown sugar syrup. To make the syrup, simply simmer 1/4 cup of brown sugar with 2 tablespoons of water until it thickens slightly. This step infuses the pearls with a delightful sweetness. Now for assembly. Swirl some extra brown sugar syrup around the inside of your serving glass for a beautiful visual and added sweetness. Spoon in your prepared tapioca pearls. Then, pour in your cooled black tea, filling the glass about 2/3 of the way. Top it off with your choice of milk or half and half, leaving some space for the creme brulee layer. Finally, the star of the show, the creme brulee topping. Whip heavy cream with a tablespoon of sugar until it's thick and spoonable. Carefully layer this cream over your drink. Then, sprinkle a thin, even layer of granulated sugar on top. Use your culinary torch to caramelize the sugar until it's a beautiful golden brown and forms a crisp shell. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade creme brulee bubble tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.